Guys, I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing slime packages, but I already opened them. They're right here. I just took them out. So we're gonna see if this is a good slime package or a bad one. So let's get right into the video. Alright, you guys. We're gonna start with this blue. Let's see if it's stretchy. Okay. Not stretchy. Stop. Okay, let's do some AMR. I don't hear the clicking. It's not working. It just looks like this, but it's not working out. This is such a bad time. I hear a little bit. This is such a bad time. This is such a bad time. This is such a bad time. Be right back. We're going to get some lotion. Okay, guys. I have this cocoa water. Hopefully, it makes it stretchy again. So, yeah. Okay. Huh? I said okay. Look. Okay. Your phone going dead. Huh? I think they just gave me putty. I don't think this is slime, guys, because it's like not stretchy at all. It's coming together again, but it's like nah. This is bad. Let's see if I can use this. Oh, this pen was an extra. I'm not gonna use it, so I'm just gonna use it. She gonna keep playing that song back and forth, Kanye. It took a long time. It took 3 minutes for this whole blue song. It's greasy. Hopefully it gets stretchy again. But it wasn't stretchy, so I hope it's stretchy. He's not gonna load this. I don't think he wants to know that song. Song trash. Okay, I see it. It got a little bit stretchy, but we'll just go to the next one. Okay, next one is this reddish pink. See it like that. I'm just gonna start off with poking it. See if it's stretchy. Not stretchy. This is one of the worst slime packages ever. Now I'm gonna add some I'm not. I'm just doing a little bit. mix that all over here. Okay. And then I'm gonna mix that up. Mix that up some more. Mix that up. Mix it with my hands now. This one is actually getting stretchy. And then next we have this like little pink. You got to spread it out, so hopefully that was stretchy. I'm gonna keep using this. Keep on using this. What time is it? It's 10:29. Make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat, Musical.ly, and Lively. My Snapchat is Crystal Iker. My Musical.ly is Pretty Girl Crystal, and my Lively is all swagged up. Just to let you know. I'm trying to do full swirl. So see, you feel me? This one is getting kind of stretchy, kind of. But this is one of the worst slime packages that somebody will ever buy. Okay. Okay, next, where is my, okay, it's mine. Oh, it's right here. Now we have this pink. I think this one is stretchy because it's stretching out. Nope, not stretchy at all. I think I might add some to this one. Huh? I am. I'm not using them more. So right now, I'm just gonna be like stretching this, like just wrapping it around. It's gonna be doing that. Okay. I don't want this lotion on my hands. Ew. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. please do not go and buy this slime package from. Should I say the name? I don't know because I don't want you guys to go buy it. It's so horrible. Ready? Ariana. Forgot the rest, but I know something with Ariana. Oh yeah, Ariana's so pretty. Don't buy this from her. I got this off of Instagram, and she said it was so stretchy, but it ain't. So please don't go buy this. It's not even clicky. This is one of the worst slime packages I've ever seen on YouTube. Please don't go buy this, guys. I'm telling you, this is so bad. That's the pin. It's not the slime. I let them sit for a while, these two, so I'm going to take them out and see if they're stretchy. That's one. That's two. So let's see if they're stretchy. I'm going to let that one sit. No, that one's still not stretchy. Alright, let's check this one. You kind of like poke some holes in it. So cold. Here's the container, everyone. It came in this little container. I'm not going to show you guys how much it costs because that would be... My nana told me it's not good to show people how much you pay for something. So I'm not going to show you guys how much it costs. So yeah. And I will be doing one day, guess what's in your mouth challenge. I will be doing that. Or I will be doing the eat it or wear it. Okay. I will not be keeping these. So yeah. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you like and subscribe.